Emergency rooms in New York City hospitals are busy places, which is why when you come to the emergency room, either walking in or brought in by ambulance, you are given a specific level of priority code. You're also given an ID band so that in the event that you are in the emergency room, let's say you have a head injury and you're there to be observed, if for whatever reason your condition worsens and they call out your name and you don't respond, the hospital has an obligation to find you by looking at your ID band around the wrist. Very recently, we have represented a family whose relative came to a New York City hospital and they lost him over the period of 9 hours, having called out his name when he came to the hospital, having been hit on the head. The hospital did not realize that he was there literally feet in front of them throughout the entire night. And when they called out his name, he did not respond, and they wrote him off as having left the emergency department before he could receive treatment. In the morning, he was found slumped over, unable to communicate, blood coming from his mouth and nose. Video surveillance, which I obtained through my law firm, demonstrated that this gentleman was at the hospital the entire evening. We are able to prove that the hospital failed to even know that their patient was there, and that good care, which they were prepared to give, never reached him because they simply lost him in plain sight. That can happen to anyone, which is why we, as a law firm, tell all of our clients that if you ever need emergency care in an emergency room, make sure that they know exactly where you are and insist on being seen from time to time.